Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Do you want to know about Alsenic reviews? If yes, then watch the video till the end because we are going to share unbiased review on this website and that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. Alsenic is an online shopping portal that is based in America. The website aims in providing the best quality material to its customer at affordable price. Their products includes Sony PlayStation, Xbox console remotes, gaming headphones, Game Pass, etc. It is HTTPS secure website. It offers order cancellation option, refund and return policies are mentioned on the website. This is actually selling electronic gadgets. Free shipping in the US is offered by the company. Like you can purchase within 5 to 9 working days. Delivery time is about 1 to 2 days. The email address which they are mentioning is matching the domain name and it is a positive sign. On their official portal they have mentioned the contact details. The positive point of using Alsenic.com, the website provides electronic gadget consoles at an affordable price. The company offers free shipping in America. You can find a variety of products from here. SSL certificate is valid. We can see that the HTTP secure protocol is also followed. Return, refund and order cancellation are mentioned on official portal. The negative point of using Alsenic.com are the website is providing console at an unrealistically cheap prices. The domain of this website is just 1 year old. The trust rank obtained by this website is just 40%. There is no availability of reviews on internet for this available site. So the question is Alsenic legit? There are many people that get fascinated by offers and cheap rates of the products offered by new website, but you should know about the details and legitimacy of the website. As you know, most of the website are fake nowadays. So let's check in details about this website. It was created on 15 September 2021. That makes this website around about 1 years old. The website has provided fake social media links. The trust bank obtained by this website is low. It has very poor Alexa ranking, and the customer has not provided any review on internet. So we can say that all the website claims to be 100% legit and provide no doubt good quality material to customer, but this can be verified by checking all the details, especially the customer review, as customer reviews tell the real side of the website, as these reviews are unbiased and provided by experienced customer. From these reviews you can check out the products originality and customer service provided by some company. So we are unfortunate on the behalf of Alsenic, like we have not found any review of by customer or any user on the internet. So we can say that this website seems to be scam website, so we are not recommending anyone of you to trust on this website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from Alsenic.com, please share your views with us regarding this website.